you today, guys? Quite good. Quite good.
Yes.
You?
Pretty much same.
Yeah, same. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. This time I want to discuss with you about the role of cultural context in interpreting narrative text in the field challenges and strategies. First, do you know what is the narrative text?
Text.
Yeah, in Indonesia,
Text narrative.
text narrative. What about you?
Text narrative.
What's the purpose? Do you know about that? The purpose of the narrative text itself?
Entertainment.
Entertain the readers or?
To tell a story.
Oh yeah, entertain. Entertain. Okay. Alright. Before we go to the main idea, I want to tell you a little bit about the contents. Okay. First is all, of course, introduction. Second, understanding the role of cultural context in narrative text. Third, challenges in interpreting cultural context in narrative text. There's three types there. It's about cultural symbolism and metaphors, humor and idiomatic expressions, and historical and political references. Okay. Four, strategies for interpreting cultural context. It's about three types also. It's a contextualization, explanatory notes, adaptive translation techniques, and developing cultural competence. Okay. We move to the first introduction. In the practice of interpreting, especially in narrative text, cultural context plays a very important role in shaping the original meaning and its interpretation. The interpreter's role is not only to translate the language, but also to bridge the cultural gap, conveying the implied meanings, social norms, and historical references embedded in the narrative text. This is particularly challenging as narrative texts often contain layers of symbolism, metaphors, and cultural allusions that may be unfamiliar or even incomprehensible to audiences outside the original culture. Cultural context can influence the perception of the reader or listener, creating a framework through which to filter and understand the narrative. I have the example for you. Culturally significant symbols or phrases can carry connotations that go beyond their literal meaning, as well as offer deeper insights when viewed through a specific cultural lens. Okay. As global communication becomes more frequent, the importance of cultural translation increases, and translators or interpreters play an important role in fostering mutual understanding across borders. Okay. Before we go to the next, I want to give I want you to understand the role of the cultural context in narrative text first. The cultural context in which a narrative text inevitably influences how individuals understand, interpret, and engage with it. This underscores the inextricable link between narrative text and the cultural environment in which they appear. The term cultural context here includes things like values, beliefs, social norms, and the historical background that defines a society. Okay. Next, we go to the point that is challenges in interpreting cultural context in narrative text. There is the three types before that I say to you, right? It's first about cultural symbolisms and metaphors. One of the most significant challenges in interpreting cultural context is the translation of culturally specific symbolism and metaphors. These elements have a distinctive meaning in the source culture and often have no direct equivalent in the target language or culture. In the example, in Chinese culture, dragons are symbols of strength and wisdom, while in Western culture, dragons are often perceived as dangerous creatures. In such case, interpreters must face the challenge of choosing words that can convey the intended meaning and respect the values of the source culture. Failure to do so may result in a loss of essence to the culture and may even create misunderstandings or stereotypes. Okay. Second is about humor and idiomatic expressions. The translation of narrative text can present additional challenges in terms of humor and idioms, as both are deeply rooted in cultural context. Translating humor often relies on being able to understand cultural references, wordplay, and social norms that may be unfamiliar or inaccessible to those outside the source culture. These language features are of particular importance for the interpreters, such as lexical items, which may not have equivalents in the target language. Semantic and pragmatic meanings of culturally constructed elements such as humor, morphosyntactic features of embodied and culturally embedded phenomena like humor, and other language features such as the use of specific dialects or intents as a typical mechanism of creating humor, which may pose significant problems for the translator. Alright, similarly, idioms represent another area that cultural context plays an important role. The idiomatic expression break the ice. You know about that? Or like spill the beans. Okay, are widely understood in English-speaking cultures, but may be confusing to audience from different language backgrounds. For example, idioms in one language may have historical or cultural significance to them, serving as a form of entertainment and a reflection of the culture's identity. By understanding these nuances, interpreters can ensure that their translation retain the original intent of the humor while ensuring that new audiences can understand and relate to it. Alright, for the point of third, historical and political references. The interpretation of narrative texts that use historical and political references is a significant challenge for interpreters, such as references often require an understanding of the history and politics of the source or origin culture. A narrative referencing the American Civil Rights Movement or the French Revolution, for example, may evoke a strong response from an audience familiar with these historical events. However, if the audience does not have a comparable historical understanding of them, the narrative may not resonate effectively. These references play an important role in shaping the overall tone and impact of a narrative, setting a specific time and place when accurately conveyed. These references can assist the audience in understanding the characters' motivations and the significance of the narrative, thus increasing its complexity. Okay. Move to the next point. Strategies for interpreting cultural context. This also have 3 points. First, contextualization and explanatory notes. One effective strategy for interpreting cultural context is to use contextualizations and explanatory notes by providing short explanations or footnotes. Interpreters can explain specific references, symbols, or idioms in a cultural context that may be difficult for the audience to understand. This approach is particularly useful in the context of written translation, where additional explanations can be included without compromising continuity to the narrative. Okay. Second, adaptive translation techniques. The use of adaptive translation techniques such as cultural substitution and localization has significant value in translating material containing humor, idioms, and or culturally specific expressions. Cultural substitution entails replacing references from the source or origin culture with similar references in the target culture. To illustrate, an American idiom such as "the ball is your coat" can be replaced with an equivalent phrase in the target language that conveys the idea the same idea of responsibility. Last, developing cultural competence. In order to interpret cultural context effectively, interpreters must be able to develop the relevant cultural competence, which involves achieving a deep understanding of the source of the origin culture and the target culture. This competence goes beyond linguistic proficiency, requiring the translator to learn the intricacies of the social norms, values, and historical events that collectively shape the world view of a particular society culture. Moreover, cultural competence enables the interpreter to convey cultural nuances in a way that is more accurate and respectful to the target audience. Alright. Last is a conclusion, okay? Do you understand what I say?
Yes,
Okay.
For
Sure.
conversation, yeah.
For the conversation.
Yeah. No,
Alright.
Yes.
Can you conclude first? Or conclude what I say before?
Like interpreting or translating Arabic text, right? It's quite difficult because there's a lot of factors.
Factors, okay.
Yeah, there's like context, cultural context,
What else?
the cultural,
Yeah.
contextualization,
Contextualization.
yes. and the experience that people experience about the history itself, right?
Okay. It's a complex.
Yeah,
complex.
But I think it's good and it can be a good thing to enhance, of course.
Enhance.
Because but still everything has the challenges and considerability, right?
For the interpreters of
Yeah.
Okay. I want to add some conclusion. Okay. The role of cultural context in the interpreter of narrative text is multifaceted, encompassing a variety of elements, including symbols, idioms, humor, historical references, and more. The translator is tasked with navigating these cultural elements with sensitivity and adaptability so as to ensure that the narrative's meaning and emotional impact remain intact for the target audience. Using techniques such as contextualization, of course, adaptive translation, and developing cultural proficiency, interpreters can adaptly cross cultural boundaries and create narratives that are accessible or understandable to a variety of audience. That's all from me.
Very good.
Yes. Any questions so far? No? I think it's done, yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Understandable.
Hope you can enjoy it. See you in the next time.